Like and subscribe to the limits. Okay, so I am recording. That's always good. Oh boy, I gotta catch up. We're supposed to bring it back at 9 o'clock. I am 30 minutes away from the location and it's 8:36. So we gotta play a little bit of catch up, which in turn give you guys a nice video, right? All right, let's get it. I surrender. Good morning, folks. Good morning. Wake up, give God thanks for another morning, right? Yo, when you put it in M mode, it changes the gauge up there. It shows me where I'm going though. That's cool. That's always fire. That's always good. I've been driving in this. Ooh, a Porsche. I really don't have time for that Porsche right now. Damn it. I wish I did. So I hope you guys enjoyed the M8, man. If you did, let me know. I love this car. I'm no longer wanting an M5. Let's just say that. I no longer want an M5. I love using this to change the gears. It feels really good. I'm gonna give you guys one last launch. Pause. Pause. Just the controls beat. There we go. It's super fast. It's super quick off the line. 0 to 100 real quick, ain't it? Even though we didn't do 100, but you know what I mean. And I love the sound when you it's amazing. It can turn by itself as well. If you press this right here, it allows you to make the car drive by itself. But once you take your hands off the wheel for too long, those pops, bro. Unbox it back in drive and press it for you. You put everything back in normal mode though in order to do it. It doesn't do it in sport. So you see, it says assisted driving. Let's see. You're gonna see what happens. Okay, 9:08. I gotta shave off 8 minutes. And we're not going too far, so we might not. If we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. I ain't gonna go too crazy. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna go crazy enough to where we can make up at least a little bit at a time. It's only a short distance, I'd say. So I mean, just because there's traffic on the road, if there's traffic, we're not gonna be going too crazy. But yeah, Miata, I like Miatas because I love the BRZ, so it's like a competition of it. So look, when you're going like through the middle of the median though, it does like need a little bit of help when you're going through the median right here. But then once you're over here, it should be good. Like, look, a car is coming over too much to the right. But it's not working. What the heck? Did I do something wrong? Turn it back on. There we go. All right, here we go. See? It's supposed to turn. Are you gonna turn? Yeah, it is turning, but oh, it's downshifting. It's slowing down because that car was slowing down. You see? It's telling me to touch the wheel because I've had my hands off it for too long. All right, exit out of that. Put it back in my M1 modes. This car is very fast, okay? Very freaking fast. You guys give me your honest thoughts on the M8. My favorite BMW to this day now. I've driven M3s, M4s, G80s, F80s, F90 M5. Have I ever driven an F10 M5? I've driven the M6 for that generation. This truck really gonna try to first me. You know what? Go, bro. Go. Because I can pass at any time. You go, bro. Already took off a minute. I could really go in front of him right now. Like, really go in front of him right now. That's a RSQ8. Oh my gosh, a Lamborghini Urus. You understood, you understood. Flashing lights. I see flashing lights to slow down, guys, whether it's a police or not. Slow your ass down. Because technically we got a move over law, so he should have moved. Well, I mean, we are in Mexico, so I guess that law doesn't apply here. Are you gonna do something, Curl, or not? Look like you're not, so I'll do it for you. How far are we going? Oh shit, we just shaved off 4 minutes, bro. Exit 21, cool. Oh, yeah, man, Camry, go through, yeah. Kill on, go through, Camry, go through, yeah, Camry. Yo, my teeth is hurting me. It always is, bro. Damn, the truck man just cut me off. What the heck? Get that 5 minutes trying to play us? Get back my spot from the truck. Now drive past the airport right now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's do another mile. Are you retry, please? know. The burbles. That's fine. What happened? Is that back road? Did I bring my pan in? Matthew 6 verse 34. Let's read it. Take therefore no thought for the morrow, for the morrow shall take thought for the things of itself. Sufficient unto the day is the evil thereof. Amen. Every 9 o'clock, gotta read the Bible. Alright. That's the M8 for you guys. Soft closed doors. Blue BMW M8. Alright. Looking fabulous. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I'm gonna have one of these cars very soon, man. Very soon. God's willing. One last picture.